In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of CUPRA as the brand celebrates its 5th anniversary and unveils its first-ever all-electric SUV coupe at the Exponential Impulse event in Berlin. The CUPRA Tavascan, set to hit the market in 2024, marks the next stage in CUPRA's evolution, following a string of impressive achievements in the past 5 years. CUPRA is also showcasing the Dark Rebel, a virtual sports car designed for a futuristic city, and MetaHype, the brand's metaverse experience space. To top it off, they've launched the Exponential Experience, merging the physical and digital worlds in a unique racing concept. CUPRA CEO Wayne Griffiths emphasizes the brand's determination to turn dreams into reality, as evidenced by its record-breaking sales of over 300,000 cars since its launch. The star of the show, the CUPRA Tavascan, is the brand's second fully electric model after the CUPRA Born, and it perfectly captures CUPRA's electrified vision. The Tavascan's exterior features sporty proportions and a striking design language, with a recognizable three-triangle eye signature in the Matrix LED headlights. Inside, the central spine and slim air vents create a stunning architectural effect. Built for driving enthusiasts, the Tavascan boasts DCC Sport dynamic chassis technology, sport suspension, and progressive steering, as well as performance tires on 21-inch forged alloy wheels. Utilizing Volkswagen Group's MEB platform, the all-electric SUV coupe comes with two power outputs, 282 horsepower and 335 horsepower, with the higher output version offering dual-motor all-wheel drive. The CUPRA Tavascan VZ can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5.6 seconds, and its 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack allows for an impressive range of around 550 kilometers. Fast charging capabilities enable the addition of 100 kilometers of range in just 7 minutes and an 80% charge in under half an hour. The Tavascan features a massive 15-inch infotainment system with a new human-machine interface and a first-ever high-fidelity 12-speaker audio system in collaboration with premium audio firm Sennheiser. Designed and developed in Barcelona, the CUPRA Tavascan will be produced at the Volkswagen Group's Anhui factory in China, targeting annual sales of over 70,000 cars. As CUPRA continues to break new ground in the electric vehicle market, the Tavascan serves as a testament to their dedication to innovation and environmental sustainability. Its sleek design and advanced technology not only make it a thrilling driving experience, but also contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. As more consumers make the shift to EVs, CUPRA is well positioned to capitalize on this growing trend, offering a blend of performance and eco-friendliness that appeals to a wide range of drivers. Another notable aspect of the Tavascan is the attention given to user experience and comfort. The spacious and luxurious cabin combines cutting-edge technology with high-quality materials, creating an environment that's as enjoyable for passengers as it is for the driver. The 15-inch infotainment system, in particular, sets a new standard for in-car entertainment and connectivity, allowing occupants to stay informed, entertained, and connected throughout their journey. Safety is also a key consideration for the CUPRA Tavascan, which comes equipped with a range of advanced driver assist features. These include autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control, which help to mitigate the risk of accidents and make the driving experience more enjoyable and less stressful. As automotive technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated safety features incorporated into future CUPRA models. In addition to the Tavascan, CUPRA has also made a foray into the virtual world with the introduction of the CUPRA Dark Rebel and the MetaHype. The Dark Rebel is a virtual sports car that allows users to explore a futuristic city without physical boundaries, while the MetaHype is a virtual space where users can immerse themselves in the CUPRA experience. These innovative projects demonstrate CUPRA's commitment to exploring new ways of engaging with consumers and staying ahead of the curve in an increasingly digital world. Finally, the Exponential Experience, which combines the thrill of the CUPRA Urban Rebel racing concept with immersive digital technology, is yet another example of CUPRA's dedication to pushing the envelope in automotive entertainment. This unique experience brings together the best of both worlds, allowing users to enjoy an adrenaline-pumping ride while also exploring the cutting-edge technology that CUPRA has to offer. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative and exciting experiences like this from CUPRA and other forward-thinking brands. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.